All right, real quick. Shout out to everyone that pays taxes because this helps. You know, these people are heroes out here. Man, it makes a difference. It makes a big difference. So thank you. I just want to say thank you to these people that does this. Put down the salt so that we can have clear roads. For the people that's out here driving like I am, you know, this is important. This is truly important, what they do. So thank you to these guys. Appreciate them. So that's where your tax money go sometimes. I know we talk about not seeing our tax money at work, but that's where it goes. Now, the casino, where is that money going? Real quick, y'all know these machines right here that they use to kind of like do civil engineering and all that stuff right there. Y'all should look up how much that stuff costs. It's crazy. How much that stuff costs. And I'd be crazy to like one. You know what I mean? Like what I'm gonna do with it. But I don't know. I like them. You can use it to put up Christmas decorations too. We've arrived. All right, again, I think today, this one right here is just one TV. Quick little hang and bang. Like I said, when you get them easy ones, not necessarily easy, but when you get those simple ones or whatever, you gotta be appreciative of it. Happy Christmas. All right, walking up these new developments sometimes get tricky. Drive, road. They out here working. Why shouldn't I be out here working? You know what I mean? Let's get to it. Actually, I have two. Take this one. Go there. My supervisor leaving me. So you know you do good work when the supervisor leaves you unattended. Guess not. Supervisor came back. What's up, supervisor? You always need protection. Yeah, protect yourself. All right, you gotta trust the bubble juice. It's the bubble juice. TV one. More steps, you know what I'm saying? More steps, you gotta do it. All right, guys, so the goal on this one, boom. TV there. Where's it going? Right there. Let's do it. Y'all wanna know what stops momentum? Wing nuts. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. This is crazy. All right, this right here is why no two jobs are alike, okay? Real quick. This is a Santa's wall bracket, right? Very popular. A lot of people like to get it, okay? That one. The problem with this mount is that in order to have the TV perfectly centered in between the wall, in order to have it perfectly centered, boom, you have to place it right where it is. Now, just by me knowing, I know that the stud is right here, which drives up the center. There is no hole to hit that wood. So that creates a little, it's like the Grinch trying to steal my joy right now. All right, then to add insult to injury. Can you see that? I had to use spacers, right? Because, you guessed it, the corresponding outlet is where? It's behind the bracket. Can you see that? It's behind the bracket. So the spacers is to accommodate the TV power cord. You see that? 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 So sometimes you have to think. It could be so simple. It could be so simple. But no, Santas, they don't want to put holes in the middle all the way through. They were like, let's just put them on the outside. Let's stop right here. Let's just stop. I'll be back. I got to run to the car to get more screws. Then real quick, I just noticed these signs walking out. Yeah, okay. Play with me if you want today. I ain't going to even say nothing. I'm just going to keep walking and minding my business. You know what I mean? I had to give me some screws and we good. I'm not sure I can see that, but pretty bad. That's not good. Happens sometimes. Fresh out the box. TV crack. Happy Christmas. Here's a better view of it. And you can see exactly where it got hit. Okay, and the result, boom. It's just ready and prepped for us to come back once the new TV arrives, you know what I mean? Okay, squad, we just wrapped up. All right, so that's another 3 that we add to the kitty. She even threw in a nice little tip, you know what I mean? And that's cool. She was the one inconvenienced with the broken TV, but going above and beyond. I explained to him what happens next. And normally when stuff like that happens, like I said, I'm gonna come back out and make it right. And look, and if that ever happens to you, where your TV's break, like don't get all frantic about it. Those stores will do the right thing. They'll swap it out. They get full credit back. They get full credit no matter when you bought it, as long as within a reasonable amount of time. And in this case, it's the holiday season, so you'll be good. All right, time for some math. All right, last job was 150. That right there was 3. That put us at 450. Our goal for the day is what? 325? Okay, goal for the day is 325. So if you take that 450, you put that over 325, you do the calculations on that, that should put us at 713% the target. You can tell I was like A1 in my math class. Okay, baby, guess where we headed next? Fredericksburg, Virginia. I'll see you soon.